Tonight, CBS News has learned the suspected mastermind of the September 11th terror attacks, along with 4 other defendants, could escape the death penalty under a plea agreement being considered. CBS's Scott MacFarlane reports details about the possible deal were sent to family members of some of those killed, and many are outraged.
For families who lost loved ones on 9/11, it's been an excruciating wait for the trial of suspected mastermind Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 other accused plotters.
It's more heartbroken.
There's now fresh outrage for Kristen Breitweiser, whose husband died in the World Trade Center after the Pentagon sent this letter to families, revealing plea deals are being considered in which the 5 men would accept criminal responsibility for their actions and plead guilty in exchange for not receiving the death penalty.
I thought I lived in the United States of America. I thought we were a nation based upon the rule of law. And obviously, that's turned out not to be the case.
The prosecutions of the 9/11 defendants at Guantanamo Bay, held in military tribunals, have been delayed for years, mainly complicated by the CIA's interrogation of the suspects that critics called torture, and whether the evidence extracted is admissible in court. A defense lawyer for one of the accused plotters told CBS's Catherine Herridge last year a plea deal would end the impasse.
She is willing to plead guilty, serve a long sentence at Guantanamo in exchange for medical care for his torture and taking the death penalty off the table.
That doesn't satisfy Brad Blakeman, who lost his nephew, Tommy Jergen, in the World Trade Center.
We were told and we were promised that we would bring these people responsible to justice, and we expect that to happen.
Through the years, there have been proposals to move the trials from military tribunals to civilian court, but that idea faced stiff resistance in Congress, worried about the security and the costs of moving cases out of Gitmo, Nora.
I'm so thinking about all those 9/11 families. Scott MacFarlane, thank you.